Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. The Mi Mix 2 is one of my favorite phones from last year with its incredible bezel-less design. It's going for $500, so it's coming at a really good price. So let's see how it's going to stack up against the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. As always, we're going to start this test off by booting both phones up at the same time. So here we go. The Mi Mix 2 took quite some time to bring the Mi logo for some reason. But let's see. Can it beat the Galaxy S9 Plus or not? Okay, S9 Plus done. And the Mi Mix 2 is also done. So about 4 or 3 second difference there. Everything is closed up in the background. And we're going to start off with the first app, which is going to be the phone dialer. So going in 3, 2, 1, boom. And you can see faster on the Mi Mix 2 settings. And again, faster on the Mi Mix 2. Next up, we got Asphalt 8. And I recently done a gaming review of the S9 Plus against the iPhone X. So if you want to check it out, check that out on the channel. So you can see S9 Plus slightly faster there with loading up this game. Of course, very soon, we will be seeing the Mi Mix 2S with the Snapdragon 845 processor and a little bit better design pretty soon. But till then, we have the Mi Mix 2 to compete with. Next up, we got Photoshop Express, one of my favorite photo editors on phones, and you can see that it was very close on both phones. Maybe the S9 Plus was slightly quicker there, but yeah, you guys are the judge. Pin out. And about the same on both phones. SoundCloud. Similar. Snapchat. And faster on the S9 Plus. Subway Surfers. Okay, let's see. S9 Plus started the loading and it is done. And the Mi Mix 2 is taking some time, about 3 second, 4 second delay there with this game. So Spotify, and faster on the S9 Plus. Next up, we have Smash Hit, another game, and exactly the same on both phones. Let's launch Play Store, Twitter, and seems like slightly faster on the S9 Plus. Also, you'll be launching Instagram on both phones, and okay, seems like this is the latest feed. Let's just refresh real quick, and yep, this is the real latest feed. Let's check out my profile, and that got loaded up slightly faster on the S9 Plus. So lastly, we'll be launching the cameras at the same time. Let's go. And it is slightly faster on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. So I gotta say, I've tested so many phones against the S9 Plus, but the Mi Mix 2 has to be one of the best Snapdragon 835 phones that I've tested against the S9 Plus as far as the gaming time goes and everything. It's super snappy. Next up is the browser war. So I'm using the default browsers on both phones. Xiaomi has this own browser, while Samsung has this internet browser on Samsung devices. So let's go with the first website, which is going to be wwe.com. And let's see, okay, who is going to finish first? I think the Xiaomi is done, while the S9 Plus is still taking some time, and now it's done. So really fast performance on the Mi Mix 2 with this first website. Next up, we got wikipedia.org, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Really fast here, like second or 2 second loading time for the full website. Now let's check out the RAM management real quick. I do this browser test that I keep all the apps open in the background to see whether there will be any refresh or not. So far, S9 Plus hasn't done a single refresh in all the speed tests that we have done. So that is pretty impressive. Let's see if the streak can be broken in this test. So we got settings kept there. We're going back to Asphalt 8. Both phones have kept it in the memory. Adobe Photoshop still there. Pin out. SoundCloud. Snapchat. Subway Surfers. Both phones are actually rocking 6 GB of RAM, so we will not gonna see any refresh, I'm pretty sure. Play Store, Twitter, Instagram, And we're back to the browser. So amazing, awesome performance on both phones. I gotta say, incredible RAM management, keeping all the applications in the memory. So yeah, guys, that was a speed test comparison between the current best from Xiaomi against the current beast from Samsung, the Galaxy S9 Plus. I hope you guys have enjoyed this speed test, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.